Hello everyone and welcome to Learn English with Diala. I want to take a moment to talk about something many of you might find challenging: starting your problem and solution essays. I know that getting started can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to find the right words and focus your ideas. To help you with this, I've prepared a list of 20 essay starters on various topics. These starters are designed to spark your creativity and give you a foundation to build your essays on. Each one highlights a relevant issue and sets the stage for discussing potential solutions. Remember, the key to a great essay is not just identifying a problem, but also exploring practical ways to address it. So, as you look through these starters, just remember and think about which topics resonate with you and how you can develop your thoughts further. I hope these starters inspire you and make the writing process a little easier. So let's get started on crafting some impactful essays together. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share it to your social media platforms. How do I start? Here are some engaging starters for problem and solution essays, each setting up a clear issue and inviting readers to consider potential resolutions. They range across topics like personal growth, social issues, and environmental concerns, so you can choose the ones that best fit your context or adapt them to meet your needs. So let's get started. If your topic is about digital distractions, this is a suitable topic sentence or a starter that you can use. As an example, with students' attention spans decreasing due to constant phone notifications, schools are facing an urgent problem. How can they help students stay focused in class? So here we have to talk about this problem and find different solutions. Another topic is bullying in schools. Let's have an idea or a look at this topic sentence. As an example, you can use it. Many students experience bullying impacting their confidence and academic performance. What solutions can schools implement to create a safer environment? Remember that whenever I need to start with this, I need to go into different supporting details and then end my paragraph or my introduction with a great thesis statement that contains all the key words or the controlling ideas I'm going to discuss in my essay. Another topic that students in cycle 3 would have is littering and pollution. So many students are asked to write a problem solution essay about littering and pollution. So this is a sample of a topic sentence you can use. Littering in public places is a persistent issue affecting community health and wildlife. What are some effective strategies communities can use to reduce waste? Also, you can find different solutions and mention them in your essay, and don't forget to add them as controlling ideas in your thesis statement. To continue with, here's another topic students in your age can get benefit from: teenagers and self esteem. As an example, this is a topic sentence that you can get benefit from. Low self esteem is a common issue among teenagers, impacting their mental health and social lives. How can schools and parents work together to support teens? So you can mention different ways that schools and parents can find in order to support teenagers or adolescents during this age, especially if they are facing less self-confidence or low self-esteem. Another topic that you can get benefit from: cyberbullying on social media. This problem is common among teenagers, and this is why students, our teenagers in Cycle 3 classes, usually are asked to write about it. So here's a topic sentence that can help you. As more teenagers experience cyberbullying, it's clear that social media companies need to address this issue. What solutions could reduce the impact of cyberbullying? So you list different solutions you can find in order to solve your problem or the cyberbullying problem on social media. Here's another title: climate change awareness. So this is also a common problem our world is suffering from, and you can write a problem and solution essay about it. So as an example, you can start your expository essay or your problem and solution essay by writing: many young people worry about the future due to climate change, but few take action. How can schools inspire students to make sustainable choices? So you have to write in your essay about the sustainable choices. So if you don't know what do you mean by sustainable choices or just sustainable development, are the development that cannot help cannot affect the future but meet direct needs or needed things in at the same time. Another topic we can get benefit from is body image and social media, which is a common issue people are suffering from. So if you are asked to write an expository essay about body image and social media, you have to write the problem and the solution. So let's start this essay by saying social media creates unrealistic standards impacting teens' body image. What steps can society take to help young people develop a healthy self image? So you have to write the problem, this problem, you have to mention it, you have to add controlling ideas in your thesis statement, and then develop it in your body paragraphs. Another topic that students in Cycle 3 are asked to write about is communication gaps in families. So, generation gap is a common problem you are asked to write about. As an example, you can start your essay by saying parents and teens often misunderstand each other, leading to arguments and frustration. What can both sides do to bridge this communication gap? So, here, whenever we are saying both sides, we have to mention the problem itself and what solutions can the two sides, teenagers and their parents, find in order to solve this problem and reduce the generation gap or the communication gap in families. Here's to another topic, which is teen mental health and stress. You can start your essay by saying, with pressures from academics, sports, and social life, many teens feel stressed. How can schools help students develop better coping skills? Here, since I mentioned schools, we have to find the solutions that come from the school side, not only the parents' side. Another topic, which is food waste in households. This problem is common among people in our society, and we might get asked about it and how can we find different solutions for food waste in households. So you can start your essay as an example by saying food waste has become a significant problem with people discarding edible items daily. How can households reduce their food waste? So we have to find solutions. What can housewives or people in the same home, the members of the family, find solutions in order to reduce the food waste? Another topic, which is physical inactivity in children. We can notice during these days that children are less active than before, maybe due to social media or the less activities that they might face in their society. So this is a main problem we have to find solutions for, and we might start our essay if we are asked to write about physical inactivity in children by saying children today are less active due to increased screen time. What can schools and parents do to encourage kids to be more active? Let's continue with another topic students might get asked to write about, which is financial literacy for teenagers. So you can start your essay as an example by saying many teenagers enter adulthood without understanding financial basics. How can schools better prepare students for financial independence? So here, schools need to take action and find different solutions to help the students to be financially independent. To continue with, there is another title which is common also, plastic pollution and wildlife. From the title, we can notice that we have to find solutions on how to reduce the amount of using plastic items. So we can start our essay by saying plastic waste in oceans threatens marine life with animals mistaking plastic for food. What actions can communities take to reduce plastic pollution? If we want to write only about marine life, we can use this topic sentence. And if we are talking also about land pollution, we can mention it also in our topic sentence. We have to make sure that we need to be uh, first general, then we go to specific details about our topic. Let's continue by talking about another issue that we are facing during these days. As an example, decline in reading habits. We can notice that people or teenagers during these days are decreasing the hours where they can read. And reading is a very important habit students or people in general need to have in their lives. So since we agreed that it is a problem, we have to find different solutions to it. So we can start our essay by saying, with the rise of digital entertainment, fewer young people are reading books. What solutions could promote reading among teens? So we are specific that we have to promote reading among teens. We have to find different solutions to this issue. Let's continue with another topic, which is another title we can write about, which is traffic congestion in cities. This is a common problem, and let's find different solutions to it. We can start our essay by saying traffic congestion has become a daily problem in urban areas, leading to frustration and pollution. What are some innovative solutions to this issue? Let's continue with another problem, homelessness in cities. So we can find out that many people are homeless in different cities. So this is a main problem and we have to find different solutions to it. We can start our essay by saying the number of people experiencing homelessness is growing. What actions can cities take to provide shelter and support for those in need? Let's continue with another title, which is rising college costs is a problem also, a main problem many people are suffering from due to financial problems. So we have to find different solutions to it. So we can start our essay by saying, as college tuition increases, many students face financial challenges. How can universities make higher education more affordable? Another title we can talk about, which is waste reduction at schools. So we can start our essay by saying school cafeterias often generate a lot of waste. How can schools reduce waste and encourage students to recycle? To continue with another main problem people are facing during these days, and we have to find solutions to them, we can say, or we can answer the title by saying encouraging healthy eating in kids. During these days, kids are no more eating healthy food. We have to encourage them. So, this is a main problem. We need to find different solutions to it. We can start our essay by saying many children prefer junk food over nutritious meals. What can parents and schools do to promote healthy eating habits? We have to talk about the problem itself and find different solutions to it. Don't forget to add in the thesis statement the controlling ideas you're going to discuss in your essay. The last topic I would like to share with you is increasing childhood obesity rates. We can notice during these days that due to junk food and due to unhealthy meals, kids or childhood people are facing obesity. So, we can start our essay by saying childhood obesity is a growing concern due to lifestyle changes. How can schools and parents address this health crisis effectively? I hope that you like these starters and you're going to use them in your essays. See you soon.